Okay, here we are on bubble 8. So it says, try out what you've learned on one or more of the following activities, and I want you to do them all. Okay, let's practice, because the more practice you get, the better you're going to be. So let's just click on letter A. Okay, I'm going to click right here where it says debug the missing paragraph. Okay, and it takes us to a workspace where we can do this. Okay, so I'm going to scroll down here. It says, what happened instead? The turtle paragraph is missing. So let's see what's going on in the code, okay? And we can see that as we scroll through the website, we see choosing a pet, there's dogs, there's information about dogs, then turtles, and there's nothing underneath it, and then birds, and there's a bird paragraph. But so let's take a look at the code where the turtles information is supposed to be. It starts right here on line 11, because there's our heading for turtles, right? An H2 tag, that's this line right here. Okay, but our text starts right here. Now you can see, what's wrong with this right here? What's wrong with that tag? I'm sure you could tell me. Does it look like this tag? No. So we have to change it. So we don't need a period there. What do we need? And it looks like somebody pressed the same button as the bracket that we need, but didn't use the shift key. So we're going to change that to bracket like that. And now look, all the pink text went away, and in our website, we have the paragraph about the turtles right there. Perfect. So we're done with that one. Let's go on. Let's see, where's the continue button? Let me try and find it. There it is. Okay, remember, we're going to practice some more, so we're going to click right here on B, debug the pink tags. Let's do it. So it said the code should not be pink up here, but there's pink code near line 8 and line 14. So let's take a look. We can see right here, there's pink. And so this is an important lesson about debugging. Sometimes the error that you're looking for isn't on the line where the pink is occurring, it's above that. So we can see right here that the first spot of pink shows up right there. And then this is practically all pink, those tags. But the error is probably right here, okay? So let's check. And we can see that on line 7, there's an opening paragraph tag, but then the closing paragraph tag right there, what's wrong with it? It should look like this, but what is it missing? That's right, it's missing the P. We type that in, and now look, all the pink code went away in those 2 lines, okay? Let's scroll down a little bit more. We can see now they're trying to pull the same thing on us that they did before. Look at this tag, you can see what's wrong with it. There's a period when there should be a bracket like that. Now look, scroll through all the code, no pink, we are good to go. Let's find that submit button, and let's move on. Okay, we'll go to C, and let's see what's going on here. We're getting the hang of this, right? The code should not be pink, but there's pink code near lines 12 and 14. Let's take a look at the code. Okay, it looks like line 12, the very first instance of pink is right there in the closing tag after the word froglet, and we can see what the problem is, right? Remember, one of the ways you create a bug is if you use the wrong tag. So what the browser is expecting right here after you open the H3 tag is a closing H3 tag, but you have a closing H2 tag, and that's not going to work. So just change the 2 to the 3. It's done. No more pink. Now let's take a look at this one. What's wrong with this line? Again, we have an opening H3 tag. That means the browser is expecting a closing H3 tag, but what do we have? We have a closing H2 tag, and that's not going to work. So H3, they have to match. Tags have to match, right, guys? All right. Do we have any more pink code in there at all? No. Let's find that submit button and move on. I'm going to let you do this one, D, on your own. Okay, now you know what to look for. Good luck. See you guys in the next video.